have a special guest,
Eva, my cousin.
and welcome to this week's episode of
Cloverbud
Creators. Show them what we're going to make this week, girls.
We're going to make ballerina.
All right, so here's the things you'll need.
Popsicle sticks. Cupcake liners. Markers.
Googly eyes.
And
Pipe cleaners.
and straws. You don't need straws, but you can use them for the arms, or you can use pipe cleaners. If you have the right kind of straws, your arms will stretch out and they can bend.
We're also going to use tape, glue, and scissors. So, are you guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, so we all have our popsicle stick. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our tutu with the cupcake liners. So you can use 2 or 3 cupcake liners. Or you can take your scissors and cut a little tiny hole. There you go. That you can stick them through.
I'm doing it my way. Yeah.
So to get the layered look like we have on our examples, what you'll do is take a small piece of tape and under each liner, we're going to just tape halfway on the popsicle stick, halfway on the liner, and that will hold it in place. And then we'll add the next one on and do the same thing. Cupcake liners on, you can fold them a little bit to make them look more like a skirt. That looks good. All right, let's show them all our skirts. We've got our tutus on. The next step is you will take any color marker you want and you're going to color your shoe. And look at this shape. Like a little ballerina shoe. So we have our shoes on. Next step is we're going to put on the hair. And for the hair of our examples, we used a pipe cleaner and we just cut it small and wrapped it around the top. And then we styled the hair however we wanted. Oh, that's nice. A hair tie with a pipe cleaner. All right, our next step will be to add our arms. So you can either choose a pipe cleaner that you can bend the arms however you want, or Lily, show them your other one that has the
straws. And you can do it however you want, but if you want your ballerina to look matching, then you should do the same color straws.
Okay. I'm going to use a pipe cleaner. What are you going to use?
They're more bendable.
So if you're using the pipe cleaner, what you'll do is wrap around, and then you can shape the arms however you want. If you're using the straws, you'll cut the straws to whatever length you want and then tape them on the back of your popsicle stick.
You can get them on the stretchy part a little bit, but you don't want to get them on too much. They're not going to stretch, okay?
So, all right, here's our arms. Here's Eva's arms. Lily used her straw. So we have 2 more steps. Number 1, grab your marker and draw a mouth. Our last step is to glue on our googly eyes.
And if you don't have googly eyes, that's okay. You can just draw.
And here are our finished
Product.
We hope you had fun with us today making our ballerina popsicle stick puppets.
Yes.
Join us next week for another episode of
Cloverbud 3.